Looking for a perfect getaway that combines adventure, relaxation, and a farm experience? Tanima Farm Life near Palakkad has it all. Their day out package runs from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m., offering over 30 plus adventure activities. And exotic animals, plants, and pet animal visit. Welcome drinks, farm fresh South Indian meals and lunch, and snacks. A giant swing, rain tree dance, music cave, mud football, and much more. Each group is assigned a dedicated guide to ensure you enjoy every moment. For those who want to stay longer, Tanima Farm Life offers a variety of accommodation to suit every budget, including dormitories, budget rooms, Red Fort villas, and premium rooms. Stay guests are treated to a wholesome farm experience with farm fresh breakfast, lunch, snacks, and dinner. Along with the access to swimming pool, trekking, and farm visits. Whether you're planning a family trip, office outing, or a school excursion, Tanima Farm Life is a perfect destination to escape the hustle of the daily life and create unforgettable memories. For booking and more details, check the caption. Don't forget to save and share this to your friends and family. Bye bye.